Go ahead, tell him what's up, Cooter. Why are you over there?
I can't. Half of me's in here. Alright. Now the whole me's in here. I wanted this to be on here again, and so did some people out there. So, we're going to do it again, but this time better. I'm not going to try to script as much, and there's like, not going to be like a cat yawn in the background or anything else.
No.
Alright.
Okay.
You know the ritual.
Someone told me long ago. That's you.
I just did the chorus.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time.
When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know it's sun. Come on, Aiden. God. I tried to sing a song, but Aiden come up and bit me now. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know it's sun. Come on, Aiden. Aiden know what Aiden do. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know it's sundown light. Come on, Aiden.
You gotta do it, dude. That's why everybody likes it.
Alright. You got Aiden over fucking. I seen Aiden, dude.
Aiden, take the stupid fucking toy. Get out of here.
When it's over, so they say.
Have you ever seen The Rain?
Seen it twice. I've been stuff with that album. I was like, let me tell you why. I said, watch me sing without a microphone. He goes, I don't know it's not. I said, look at the bottom of my mouth. He goes, oh, is that why?
What was it?
My gap, dude. I said, that's why I sing better with microphone, because nobody sees my gap when I sing. You know? When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know it's sundown like water.
And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain?
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Boom, 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 boom.
Yesterday and days before. The
Sun is cold, rain is hard.
What?
Hurts your throat a little bit. I don't see how, like.
You started.
Alright, let's start the song?
Yeah.
Alright. Bet you're nervous. I can smell you. You know that song? All this change. All this change. That's all I know, man. You probably don't know this, but I can see through all your bullshit. It's time to. I don't know. How's it going? Why am I here just wasting my time?
What's that?
Not focusing on the signs. All this change. Sacrifice, man. I sleep through the mornings to ease the pain. Remember that one? You know that one? Yeah, you do. This new one, Pray.
Who says that?
That Renault song. I can't take this no more. Kicks in. I don't think I can do this anymore. Something like that. My heart can take. I don't know. Is that how it goes?
That's good.
Oldies but goodies. I'm the man with the plan. Don't you understand? Like damn it, or start slamming like a basketball. And basketball game's the man. I never understood that part. Like a basketball and basketball game's the man. Every day I speak in Ebonics. New algorithm, so electronics. When I get on mic, I rip now.
I don't get that.
What?
Song electronics.
Every day I speak in Ebonics. Word up, G, straight, code, off the hizzle. That's Ebonics. Like, but I got the new slang. Like new to y'all, like them Sony electronics.
Give me new Ebonics.
New Ebonic. Like a tripo. Like a drip down. Strumbinal. It means that you strumming to a beat that's mental.
That's what?
Mental, like, man, that's just ill. That's just mental, you know? Cooterific.
Cooter?
Yeah, cooterific.
What's that?
It means something cooter like.
What's good?
Dude, like them Sony electronics. When I get on the mic, I rip and I flip that script. Rat-a-tat-tat, what do you think about that? Rat-a-tat-tat. I heard
that?
rat-a-tat-tat. It's just something that rhymes, you know, just something that
With
fills
that?
in. Yeah. What do you think about that? I make a scat like a cat, like hold a 9-foot bat.
A 9-foot bat?
Yeah. Because I'm the man with the plane, don't you understand? I can do a 9-foot bat, you know?
That's a big ass bat.
Because I float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. Not even Muhammad Ali has shit on me. That's cool, huh? Now I say, if you don't like that, you can dip and suck on my motherfucking dicky bitch. He's like, it's so much pussy, it falls like rain. I even John Madden called my game. That's why they call me the Cooter Man, because I'm the Cooter Recruiter. Oh yeah, new name Young Coot. Or Lil Coot. Or Lil Coot E. You know, like Lil Boosie? Lil Coot E.
I don't know that. How about Cootie Man?
About, yeah, that'd be cool.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time.
When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know it's shining down like water. And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I did your part, Richard. And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Boom, 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 boom.
Do it over.
Alright.
Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard.
And I know, been that way for all my time.
Until forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. And
I know, it can't stop, I wonder.
And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain?
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Boom, boom, boom.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain?
Cooter wants to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
You got it coming down on a sunny day.
I tried. Coming down on a sunny day. I can't do it.
That's a good job.
I can't do it.
Alright, we're out of here.
I can't do it. Like a couple years ago when we did this for last year, what did we say back then? I don't know. We just did this.